everyone, I'm back to do an exciting video. Today will be a double Louis Vuitton unboxing, so let's get right into it. The first item came in this box. It's so pretty. Well, I would assume it's pretty. The dust bag to reveal. Ta-da! This is the Louis Vuitton Locky BB in the rose ballerine color in the verni leather. I don't know if it's focusing, but the protective sticker is still on, and I did purchase this on Vestiaire Collective. The tags are still on it. It has the top handle with which does fall forward or back. It has the long adjustable crossbody strap shoulder bag, and I am 5 foot 4'11" and currently pregnant. So let me show you guys how it currently looks as a crossbody. It's so cute. What do you guys think? The interior is a micro suede in the rose ballerine color as well. It's really cute, really tiny. I actually thought that it would be bigger than this. I mean, it's not that much bigger than my head. If you guys hold, or if you guys needed more than your keys, a small compact wallet, and a small makeup bag on a daily basis, or hand sanitizer, tissue, those would fit too. If you need more than those on a daily basis, I wouldn't recommend this. But if those are your daily must-haves and necessities, this would be really cute. Overall, I think that this bag is really cute, really practical, and it's like, this color is amazing, you guys. It's beautiful. I've never owned a verni leather, but it seems very durable. It's really scratch resistant, obviously, because it's already, if you guys can see, already has texture to it. So it's absolutely stunning. It's beautiful. Okay, my next item is an SLG, and it also came from Vestiaire Collective. It did not come with a dust bag, so they just put it in this little cute pouch. But it is, ta-da! So this is an insert by Louis Vuitton from, I believe, the Felicie. So this is what it looks like, and the date. Correct me if I'm wrong, guys. I know that Vestiaire Collective, which for this particular item they did authenticate it, but I thought even the inserts had the date code in them. Maybe I'm wrong, but this is really cute. This is in the rose poudre color in the Felicie, because it's not rose ballerine, because this is way darker. But it has 1, 2, 3, 4. So it has 8 card slots right here, and you can put a bill in here. And I just really liked it because the price was around like $120, and it's really compact and super flat. You see that? If, you know, for whatever reason I decide to have a flat wallet instead of a bigger wallet, then this would come in handy. Let me see if it'll fit in here. Oh, look at that. It fit. It fits exactly in there. And it's super flat, so you still have plenty of space to put some items. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please let me know down below. And I'll see you next time. Please subscribe. Bye.